Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So either ways, on the dollar CAD monthly time frame, I still suspect that this is 5 ways up for an A. I still think it possibly is going to go down and make an ABC correction to the 5 waves up for a B, and then later on continue up for the bigger wave C. We'll have to keep an eye on it though, because honestly, the US dollar index doesn't really align with that analysis, and it might just keep on going up. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where I still think this is obviously in a downtrend for a possible wave A, and this is possibly 3 waves up for a B, and I still think it's likely that it could go down for a big old wave C, and that would most likely take out both of these lows. So we definitely got to keep an eye out for that. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a big impulsive move down, and it technically did break structure on the sort of time frame, so I still think that this uptrend right here is complete. I think this big spike that we had is just because of the US election. I think there is a very good chance that we either, one, got a trend reversal and this thing is going to start a brand new downtrend on the daily, or two, this is actually going to end up being an ABC correction to the uptrend. I'm not really sure whether it's going to be a correction or whether it's going to be a trend reversal, which is why we're going to keep an eye on our Fibonacci levels and watch to see what pattern it forms over the next couple weeks. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So we definitely had a very impulsive move down, and we definitely did have a break of structure, which is why I still think this is a valid break. I still think there's a very good chance, even if it does pop up one more time and make like a double top, I still think there's a very good chance it's going to make its way down. Now the question is the move down going to be like this, like an ABC correction to the uptrend and then continue back up, or is it going to be a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on trending down, blowing past all these fib levels? So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. It didn't quite fill the whole gap, but it definitely did fill the majority of the gap. And honestly, at this point, I probably wouldn't be surprised at all if it did try to go up one more time, maybe even to fill some more of that gap, making more of a proper 3 way pullback before it actually does end up continuing back down. Technically, with this big impulsive move up, we would expect to see another push up. So technically, we should probably kind of keep an eye out for longs if you're trading the shorter time frames. If not, then I would definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels for a possible 3 wave reversal and possibly another entry to go short, especially for the swing traders. So definitely keep an eye on price, keep an eye on structure. We have interest rate news this week also, so a very, very volatile week between the U.S. presidential race and the interest rate news we got tomorrow. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.